Hi everybody. So we are going to discuss about the moisture sensors because nowadays we are using the sensors in anywhere. So in our mobile phone also having the sensors. In our weather monitoring system we can use the sensors. In the soil we can use the sensors. More number of applications we have by using the sensors. The help of the human, we can visualize, we collecting the data from the soil or air or any industries where main number of applications. Mainly the soil sensors we can use rapidly because the agriculture is very important for everyone. So agriculture cultivation is very important. So definitely it is helpful to the people. So we can see one by one how the sensors used in the agriculture are monitoring of this. Moisture is very important because based on the moisture only we can get the yield outcome of the agriculture. So you can see one by one.
So the main objective of this case study is to study about the impact of soil moisture sensors in today's agriculture practice. We all know that in recent years we are not receiving enough amount of rainfall, as well as by using a lot of fertilizers in the agricultural land. We can see that the uh, uh, strength of the soil has been decreased, and other pesticides have increased in the company side also. By using the soil sensors, an individual can monitor what's happening in their field and how much water that they should pour in the field, and how much fertilizers they have to first buy and then put it in the field in the regular interval.
So I'm going to say about the background of this case study. So let's all imagine a medium-sized farm in a semi-arid region. That farm contains multiple amount of crops like tomatoes, cucumbers, etc. Now the ancient time farming methods were now inconsistent for that farm. The crop yield is comparatively less, coming less in the coming days because let's imagine of systems like irrigation, drip irrigation, making a water flow between the farms. It gives inconsistent amount of waters to the crops. For example, we know first in first out. The first crops that gets water takes all the yield, and the rest gives much lesser yields. So now the farmer in that farm is now changing into the technological equipments. Is now going to start the soil moisture sensor, and now let's see what's going to happen.
So let me talk about the technology and methodologies used in soil moisture sensors. So first, let me talk about the sensor. With the help of the sensor, we get to know what is the amount of the moisture level, and after rain, we get the humidity. Etc. So we don't need to pour more water into the ground. It will only spoil the yield. So to increase the yield, we only needed the required amount of water. So next, data collection. So by collecting this data, like this month of water is needed, next month this month of water is needed. So we know what is the cost structure, how to gain rapidly to grow yield. With this data collection, we will do an analysis. So that's why we know how much profit we get like that. So with this, we use irrigation system to pour water to the plants.
Hi everyone, I'm going to speak about the implementation process. The sensors are kept in the root node, and the sensors are used for the specific soil type to maintain the soil moisture levels. And the implementation process is the sensors are kept with a microcontroller which receives and collects data from the moisture level, and the data are sent to the users to maintain how the moisture levels are being used.
So I'm going to tell about the results, which is based on the uses of signals, sensors. So the farmers are very much efficient by using these methods. The plants giving more than 30% of yields before using the sensors, and now they have efficiency of yield giving 30%, etc. Then the water management also is very efficiency by 20%. Then it by savings the farmers times by uh, saving so much time to working fields and reduces the workers amounts. So,
I am here about to talk about costs and maintenance of this soil sensor. In cost, it is initial cost of purchasing uh, this sensor is quite moderate, and setting up of this soil sensor is quite easy. Uh, it will uh, it will alert the maintenance, alert how the maintenance was when the maintenance was to be done. Uh, is most useful to uh, maintain the soil level in the plants. Uh, it is to use. It is most useful for farmer to save time and water and energy.
We are here talking about the soil moisture sensor. By implementing this, we can save the water and time and fertilizer. These are used to uh, produce the healthy yields, and they are used very useful to at limiting water source areas.